I have used Guardian numerous times for a new roof and new gutters. And here recently, we had some issues with moss on the roof, and we had some cracking mortar in our chimney. And so I called Guardian, and it started out with Nathan Phillips, who is one of their sales reps, who was very attentive to our needs. He came out, he did a walk around, he gave us a quote, and he stayed in touch with us until we decided we were ready to start the project. While the guys were there, they were professional. When I got home, they were telling me everything that they were doing, the foreman, and I can't remember his name, but anyhow, he's very professional. They had stuff on the ground to collect any debris, whatever they were doing. As they were installing the guards on the gutters, he explained it to me and showed me the material. And he kept me abreast the whole time until they left and let me know the job was finished and asked me to do a walk around. So they do a great job, and I would recommend Guardian roofing for either your roofs, your gutters, your gutter guards, the moss treatment, which we're going to continue to do each year or every 3 years as needed. And so it is a great company, and we will be a repeat customer even more now. So thank you, Guardian Roofing, for the great job you did.